You know, here in Louisiana, a lot of vegetable gardeners forget that we can grow a fall crop of tomatoes, not just that spring and early summer crop, but we can have tomatoes coming in out of our gardens in October, November, and even into early December in South Louisiana. This is the time to get your tomatoes planted in the ground. Before the end of August is the ideal time to get your tomato transplants planted. Now, do a good job of re-preparing your vegetable garden. Don't just put these into the garden. Till the soil, get all the weeds out of the area, add some fresh organic matter, some fresh fertilizer, get that all tilled in, and then you're ready to plant your tomato transplants. Here's some wonderful tomato transplants that we see here. Make sure you choose heat-tolerant types like this Tribeca. They will set their flowers while it's still hot in September. When choosing your plants, this is the ideal transplant right here. It's short, it's stocky, it's about as wide as it is tall. It still has its seedling leaves. This is primed and ready to go. Now you can buy transplants as small as this. They'll jump right up in your garden if you buy them. What you want to be careful about are large, older transplants like this. This has been in the pot too long. It's under fertilized. See how pale it is. It's leggy and tall. Now, if you have to buy something like this, you can take off these lower leaves and bury the stem about 3 inches down into the soil, and that'll help make it stockier, but give this plant some fertilizer right away. It really would need it. So again, get your tomatoes. You can also plant peppers this time of the year. And just if for those who are all doing cool season gardens, cold crops like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage can be planted now as well. Keep that garden productive through the fall season, and you'll be glad to harvest those fresh homegrown vegetables. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.